full screen or zoom to layer, and also we added the map scale and map coordinate, and also we insert with the micro cluster. So which looks like this. Here are some buttons are floating and some buttons are inside maps. So yeah, all the buttons are working well, but it's not organized in a proper manner. So in this video, I want to insert the bootstrap, which is the CSS framework. So I can customize these maps, and then I can customize these buttons as well, and then by which our maps look more. Here is some of the documentation about this bootstrap things, how to use, and actually we can insert this bootstrap with this CDL link, so we can just add this link to our head section, and then we can just start. So yeah, actually what you can do is like you can just go to the gem. So for that, let's get started with this bootstrap version 4.5. So I'll go to the documentation, and I just want to copy this link and then paste it inside our head section. So I'll paste it at the top. So maybe we don't need these things. Okay, just save it. Now our bootstrap is loaded. So if you go back to our leaflet geo project, the button looks a little bit different, and our font is already changed to the in the font type. So here I just noticed one thing as well. So it was before it was here some margin gaps, but after adding our bootstrap, it automatically removed these margins as well. So yeah, now we can customize these buttons and things using bootstrap. So I just insert with bootstrap version 4.5. So I'll see you in the next